This isn't just a video, it's where the fight for what's right begins, where every breath holds quiet courage, and every call is a race between life and death. Here, heroes rise, justice is tested, and fearless women step into the chaos with grit and grace, where the raw, the real, and the relentless are always waiting.
Stop the car!
Welcome to EJV Bodycam. Seattle police chased down a stolen car tied to a drive-by shooting and burglary. The suspect sped off, but a precise pit maneuver brought him to a stop. Cops recovered guns, found 3 uninjured dogs in the car, and arrested a 32-year-old man. His charges: drive-by shooting, eluding, and possession of a stolen vehicle. 41-year-old William Wolf led officers on a wild 4-county chase, throwing everything from a tire iron to chocolate milk and even a knife at police cruisers.
The road.
He's crashing out.
Going through the field now. Watch out. Field now.
48 headquarters pursuit. 48 headquarters pursuit. King Henry 8716. King Henry 8716. It's going to be a black Kia. Passing armor. Speeds are 105.
If you appreciate authentic breakdowns, wild pursuits, and raw police footage, please consider liking and subscribing.
Eastbound on 224.
Alright, we're going to be continuing 22. We're going to be heading down 14. 14 is going to be south. 14 south.
Just threw a tire iron at me.
Alright, we just have our Smith Township jurisdiction, just passed over 12. Still continuing south on 14. Continuing south, just past Smith Goshen. Speeds are 110.
48 headquarters. See if OSB has any units with spike strips to stop this thing.
Yep, be coming up to 165, speeds are 100, traffic 0. Headquarters, Goshen and Salem. Guys, be careful with this bridge up ahead, be careful with the bridge.
Southbound, we're into Salem.
I'm behind you, Tuck.
Copy. We're going westbound onto West State.
Continuing westbound, just past Duck Creek, speed is 90, traffic light.
He's searching all over around the front. He just threw a chocolate milk at me.
OSP is trying to lay down spike strips in Damascus by Farmers Bank.
534.
He just got hit with spike strips and so did I. Take over. I just lost both driver's side tires.
Don't you have to stop?
I am.
Going to throw things at us from the car. Still southbound.
Be careful, that was a knife he threw out.
Field now.
Watch out.
Field now.
So, I'm not going to eject him yet. He's reaching.
He's coming to a stop. He's ready for the bill.
Hold on.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the
With 28 arrests and 19 license suspensions under his belt, his spree ended after spike strips disabled his car. He's now facing multiple felonies, including meth possession and assault.
You just I don't give a fuck! Oh, you're such a big...
19-year-old David Hernandez tried stealing his mom's car while officers were right there. He pinned a cop between vehicles before trying to flee. Officers stopped him, and after a brief struggle, he was arrested.
All right, you mind stepping out for me? Because your mom's the one that called. My man, don't do that.
What's he called for, bro?
Yeah, 7 units.
Oh, fuck. For what, bro? What happened? Bro, let me go!
Charlie 3, I'm in the back of the building.
get
I'm in the
out.
back of the building.
Yo, let me go! What happened, bro? What happened, bro? What happened? What happened? What happened?
It's going to be 222 Wood Street. Wood Street.
What's he called for?
Give me your hand.
What's he called for?
Yo, give me your hand.
Charges include assault on an officer and driving without a license. His bond, $250,000. A stolen Toyota Camry turned into a weapon. After dodging cops twice, 32-year-old Holly Graham struck a sergeant, who ended up on her hood and opened fire. She fled again, driving the wrong way until crashing head-on into two cars.
Here he comes.
What's up? Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Get out of the car! 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 Watch out! Watch crossfire! Stop the car!
Show 5 to those officers.
Stop the car!
Go around and get your car. We'll pay. Shot fired. Now an officer ran over. 10-3. 10-3. Ran over by the car. Shot has been fired. I got 10-3. Officer ran over. Shot fired. Advise Worthington, advise Channel 4, we're going to need some intersection shut down. I copy.
That's 18, I need a medic, please.
Okay, are you guys on the BP lot? Yes.
Block this whole thing off.
Where's the suspect?
He's that way. Block this whole thing off.
He fled. And the blue Toyota Corolla, man.
Somebody have eyes on the vehicle.
Got away?
Yeah.
One of the sergeants here is saying he fled eastbound in the blue Corolla.
We got to block this whole thing.
Get down on the ground. Lay down. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Graham is hospitalized and charged with felonious assault.